Come explore the exciting world of future technology. At techrevolt, you are welcome to join and learn about state-of-the-art technology. In this video, we focus on food processing and automation. Are machines able to replace humans? Get ready for a thrilling adventure ahead. First, gently shower the blueberries with water to clean them. Imagine raindrops softly falling on the berries, washing away any dirt. They travel on a moving belt, where smart machines look at each berry. If a berry is too small, too squishy, or the wrong color, it is automatically removed by the machine. The good berries continue on their journey, ready to be packed. A group of carrots first take a warm bath. This bath helps them get rid of any dirt from the farm. They go through a magical tunnel that gently peels their outer layer, making them bright and shiny. They line up like little soldiers to get cut into perfect slices or sticks. Each piece is exactly the right size for snacking or cooking. We have chicken breasts on a conveyor belt, moving along like cars in a traffic line. A special machine, like a smart robot, cuts each breast into specific sizes, making sure each piece is just right. They are cut. These chicken pieces take a short trip to get wrapped up. They are placed in trays and covered with a clear film that keeps them fresh. The packages are sealed tight, ready to find their way to your dinner table. If you are a fan of chicken, drop a 1 in the comments below. The chorizo sausage line is where the magic happens. Mix together special spices with ground meat to create the unique chorizo flavor. This mixture is then fed into a machine that stuffs it into casings. These long sausages are then twisted at intervals, creating individual sausages. They are cooked just right, then cooled down and packaged, ready to add spice to your meals. Dragon fruit starts its journey by getting a nice, gentle wash to make sure it's clean. After their bath, they go on a sun bath under warm air that dries them off. They don't get too hot, just perfectly dry. Each dragon fruit walks the runway, where a camera and some smart technology decide if they're large, medium, or small. Each size has its own special place to go, making sure they meet new friends of the same size. Imagine a big kitchen where caramel candies are made in huge amounts. Sugar and butter melt together in a large pot until they become golden and yummy. This mix then travels down a conveyor belt, where it's shaped into bite-sized candies. These candies get cooled down and wrapped up in shiny wrappers, all ready to be sent to stores for people to enjoy. Large machines mix fruit juice with sugar and gelatin to make a thick, sticky mixture. This mixture is poured into molds of all shapes, like bears, fruits, or worms. Once they're set and firm, these gummies are popped out of the molds, coated with a bit of sugar for extra sparkle, and then packed in bags to bring smiles to kids and adults alike. Making meatballs on a big scale starts with mixing ground. Meat with spices, breadcrumbs, and eggs until it's just right. This mix then goes through a machine that shapes them into perfect balls. These meatballs are cooked, cooled, and then packaged neatly in trays or bags, ready for families to cook at home for a delicious meal. Olives are given a good wash to get rid of any dirt from the farm. They go on a journey over a conveyor belt where they're checked and sorted. The shiny, clean olives are separated by size and quality. So only the best ones get picked to be turned into oil or to be eaten as they are. Onion processing starts with taking off the outer skin and ends with either fresh onions ready for the kitchen or ingredients for various products. Big machines peel onions quickly, then they're washed and checked for quality. The good ones are then chopped, sliced, or left whole, and packed. This way, onions are ready to add flavor to our meals without any tears. Passion fruit washing is like preparing a tropical fruit for a fancy ball. Each fruit is washed carefully to make sure it's clean. They go on a conveyor belt where they're looked over. Only the best, most perfect passion fruits are chosen. They're sorted by size and how ripe they are, so when you open one, it's just full of flavor. Advanced robotic systems are revolutionizing the way we process meat, making it faster, more precise, and safer than ever before. These robots are equipped with sophisticated cutting tools and sensors that allow them to precisely slice through various cuts of meat, whether it's lamb, pig, cow, or any other animal. Making pasta is like crafting tasty magic. Pasta comes in different shapes like spaghetti, penne, and bow ties. Each shape has its own fun and flavor. In pasta factories, big machines mix flour and water to make dough. Then, they press the dough into shapes using special molds. After shaping, the pasta dries before packing. But wait, there's more. You can customize pasta too. To make bacon, we start with pork belly. We cover it in a curing mixture of salt and spices to add flavor and preserve it. The pork belly then gets a good, long nap in a cool place. Once it's perfectly cured, we smoke it to give it that delicious bacon taste. We slice the pork belly into thin strips, making it ready to cook and enjoy as bacon. Making potato chips begins with washing potatoes clean, then slicing them really thin. These thin slices take a quick dip in hot oil, which makes them crispy. Sprinkle them with salt or other seasonings to make them tasty. Pack the chips carefully so they stay crunchy until you're ready to snack. Drop a 1 in the comment section if you enjoy eating chips. Packaging solutions are here to keep your favorite dairy delight fresh and tasty. These solutions carefully wrap each slice of cheese to seal in its creamy goodness. Whether it's cheddar, mozzarella, or Swiss, these packages ensure your cheese stays fresh until you're ready to enjoy it. The type of bread determines the dough preparation and baking process. In bread making, mixing, fermentation, and baking are crucial for achieving the desired product quality, affecting its volume, texture, and appearance. These findings emphasize the importance of specific techniques for each bread type and the need for careful adaptation when scaling recipes. As demand surges for healthier snacks, snack processors are diversifying value-added nut options to meet this trend. They're crafting unique flavors, coatings, and blends to entice consumers. Improving accuracy, creativity becomes the only limit in crafting successful nut snack products. The The cereal's automated processing line begins with the raw grains being thoroughly cleaned and sorted to remove any impurities or foreign particles. Following this, the grains undergo precise milling or grinding to achieve the desired texture or consistency, whether it be for flakes, flour, or other cereal products. Next, the processed grains are carefully measured and mixed with various ingredients, such as vitamins, minerals, and flavorings, in precise proportions to create the desired cereal blend. Finally, the mixture is formed into the desired shapes, dried and packaged automatically, ensuring efficiency and consistency throughout the entire production process. We're glad you're here. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel for more adventurous content.